Hey, what's going on guys? This is me Saurav here from Techie World, back again with another video. And this video is all about the all new Oppo Reno. Probably the most hyped up smartphone of Oppo till now. So I have been invited to attend the launch event here in New Delhi, and let me tell you, it was a blast. So without any further ado, let me educate you guys on what features this smartphone comes with. So let's roll the intro. So Oppo is launching two variants of this smartphone, the Oppo Reno and the Oppo Reno 10x. Let's start with the physical overview of the smartphone. Talking about a display, it comes with 6.6 inches for the Oppo Reno 10x zoom and 6.4 inches for the Oppo Reno. Both have AMOLED Full HD Plus screen with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels and the aspect ratio of 19.5:9. Now that the technical aspects aside, can we just admire the beautiful looks of the smartphone? Just look at the bezels. Oh wait, you can't really, because there is no noticeable bezels at all, and also there is no notch. This display has led them to give out a screen to body ratio of 93.1%. The Oppo Reno comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 6, which gives a great deal of protection in terms of drops and scratches. So now let's talk about the rear camera. The Oppo Reno 10x zoom has a triple camera layout. The first camera is 48 megapixel IMX586 sensor with f1.7 aperture. The second camera is an ultra wide camera with 8 megapixel and the f-stop of 2.2. And finally, we have the 13 megapixel telephoto camera, and this will give you a 10x hybrid zoom, though you won't get this option in the base variant. Speaking of the younger brother, Oppo Reno has a dual camera setup with one being 48 megapixel and the other being a 5 megapixel. Now you might see that the LED flashlight and the front camera is missing. So this is because the smartphone has a pivot rising module. Once you open the camera app and switch to selfie mode, the module comes up on its own and takes around 0.8 seconds to do so. And this is very sleek. It sort of looks like a shark fin, and promise me when I say this, people around you will get really attracted when you flaunt this feature of this smartphone. It looks really different from any other smartphone. Talking about the selfie mode, the module houses the front camera, which is a 16 megapixel f2.0 sensor, and it also houses the LED flashlight at the back. Now let's talk about the specs and variants. Starting with the Oppo Reno 10x zoom, it has two variants. It has a 6GB or a 8GB RAM variant and a 128GB or a 256GB storage variant. Both of them have Snapdragon 855 as their processor. It comes with 4056 mAh battery. Oppo Reno on the other hand will come with only 8GB and 128GB option and will have Snapdragon 710 as its processor. It comes with a 3765 mAh battery. Now, one thing that the younger brother has and the elder brother doesn't have is the headphone jack. Both the phones has USB Type-C connectivity. Both have in-display fingerprint scanner. Finally, to wrap this video up, let's talk about the color variants. Both the phones have two color options. One is ocean green and the other is jet black. I personally love the ocean green. The way it looks is really beautiful. Let me know what are your thoughts on the pricing. You can see all the prices on your screen right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Wait for my full in-depth review video on the same until I get a proper hands-on. And also let me know your thoughts on the Oppo Reno and the Oppo Reno 10x zoom in the comment section down below. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is Saurav here from Techie World signing off, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.